Choosing a crypto wallet can be tricky, and most people get it wrong by thinking all wallets are the same. The surprising truth is that Trust Wallet and Exodus serve similar purposes, but cater to slightly different types of users. Trust Wallet is a mobile-first wallet that supports a huge variety of cryptocurrencies, including ERC20, BEP2, and Bitcoin. It's known for its simplicity, strong security, and integration with decentralized apps, making it ideal for active traders and DeFi users. You won't believe what happens next when users discover the built-in staking feature that allows them to earn passive income on certain coins. Exodus, on the other hand, is a desktop-first wallet with mobile support. It's user-friendly, visually appealing, and great for beginners who prefer a simple, intuitive interface. It also supports multiple cryptocurrencies and provides a built-in exchange, letting you swap coins without leaving the wallet. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume mobile wallets are always safer than desktop wallets. Trust Wallet is mobile only, but highly secure with private keys stored on device, whereas Exodus offers multi-platform convenience, but relies more on software-based security measures. Fees are another factor. Trust Wallet itself is free, but network fees apply for transactions. Exodus is also free, but its built-in exchange fees are slightly higher than what you might find on external exchanges. The surprising truth is that your choice depends on how you plan to use crypto. If you're active in DeFi, staking, or need mobile convenience, Trust Wallet is likely better. If you want an easy-to-use desktop experience with strong visual tools for portfolio tracking, Exodus might be the way to go. Both wallets give you control of your private keys, which is crucial for crypto security. Neither charges monthly fees, but transaction fees vary by blockchain network. Ultimately, Trust Wallet excels for mobile-first, active users, and Exodus shines for beginners and desktop users who want a smooth experience. Choosing the right wallet is about matching features to your crypto habits. If this comparison helped you decide, subscribe for more crypto wallet reviews and tips to keep your assets safe.